Welcome to Fortress Security Store. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Fortress wireless doorbell. The doorbell comes in 3 packages. The Type A package comes with 1 doorbell receiver and 1 doorbell button. The Type A SOS package comes with 1 receiver, 1 doorbell button, and 1 SOS necklace. The Type A Dual package comes with 1 doorbell receiver and 2 doorbell buttons. Operating the doorbell is very easy. Once the doorbell receiver is plugged in, you're ready to start using it immediately. The doorbell receiver has 57 different tones to choose from. To cycle through them, press the musical note button on the side of the receiver. Once you've selected a tone, you can also adjust the volume. To do this, press the volume button until you find a volume you like. Our packages come pre-programmed, but if you would like to pair additional accessories to your doorbell, you certainly can. To enter programming mode, press and hold the gear button until the unit beeps and the light glows white. Next, trigger the sensor you'd like to add. The receiver will beep twice. To exit programming mode, simply press the gear button again. Now your new accessories are ready to use.